Imagine this, you are texting a friend and suddenly your phone suggests the perfect reply. Or maybe you have seen those AI powered apps that can turn your selfies into digital art or transform your voice into a famous singer's voice. These are all examples of generative AI at work, and it's changing our world in ways we couldn't have imagined even a few years ago. Generative AI, simply put, is a type of artificial intelligence that creates. It can generate text, images, music, even video, anything you can think of. In just the last year, this field has exploded, transforming into a $1.3 trillion industry as companies like Google and Nvidia race to build this next generation of AI tools. And here's the best part, it's not just about fun apps and quirky features. Generative AI is already changing industries like healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment. For example, take ChatGPT, a tool that can answer questions, brainstorm ideas, or even write code. Or DALL-E, which takes simple text prompts and turn into visually stunning images. These tools are more than just clever gadgets. They're helping people work faster, make better decisions, and create in ways that were once science fiction. But here's when it gets really interesting. As generative AI takes on more complex tasks, it's also creating an entirely new kind of job market. Recent reports says that by 2030, generative AI will generate over 1 million new jobs worldwide. One of the most in-demand roles, the generative AI engineer. So now that you know what generative AI is and why it is such a game changer, here's the big question. How can you become a generative AI engineer? Well, that's exactly what in this video we are going to talk about. A complete roadmap to help you get there. In this video, we will be covering every step you need to take, from mastering essential skills in Python and machine learning into diving advanced topics like prompt engineering, neural networks, and multimodal generation. Following this roadmap can open door to one of the most in-demand tech roles.
So let's start with the basics, understanding what is generative AI. In simple terms, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that generates or creates new content by learning from existing data. You may have heard of the popular tools like ChatGPT or DALL-E. These tools can answer questions, create art, and even help write essays. All of this is possible because they have been trained on huge amounts of data, allowing them to understand and mimic patterns in language, art, and other types of media. So now let us understand why is it really important. Well, generative AI is transforming industries like entertainment, healthcare, and even finance by automating creative and analytical tasks. And because of this, generative AI engineers, people are the ones who build and improve these tools, and they are in high demand. So, what does a generative AI engineer actually do? In a nutshell, they design, develop, and fine tune AI models. Think of it like teaching a computer to think creatively. These engineers work with large datasets and advanced computer programs to train AI models. Their job is to make sure that the AI can create content that's high quality, accurate, and even sometimes feel like human. So here are the few responsibilities of a generative AI engineer. At first, they are responsible of designing and developing AI models. They build the actual software and systems that make AI work. They also help in training models with data. Engineers use massive data sets to teach AI how to understand and create content. They also test and refine AI outputs. They make sure that the AI outputs are useful, accurate, and in high quality. They collaborate with other teams. So many engineers work closely with data scientists, software developers, and business teams to ensure that the AI meets real world needs. So these are the responsibilities what a generative AI engineer actually do. So let's move on. What are the skills needed to become a generative AI engineer? So in order to excel as a generative AI engineer, you need a combination of technical skills, analytical thinking, and also creativity. So let us break down this step by step. Each skill is built on the last, and I'll explain everything in simple terms. At first, you need to be proficient in programming, specifically Python. So, programming is the foundation of AI, and Python is the most popular language in this field. And why do we choose Python? Because it is beginner friendly, versatile, and comes with a powerful libraries like TensorFlow and also PyTorch, which makes it easier to build and train AI models. So start by mastering the basics of Pythons, and then the second step is understanding the variables and loops. These are the building blocks of programming. Think of them as the tools for managing and repeating tasks in your code. Moving on to functions and object-oriented programming. Functions help organize code into reusable blocks, while OOP will allow you to model real-world concepts like objects and classes in your programs. So once you're comfortable with the basics, we move on to AI-specific libraries. For example, NumPy, which is used for numerical computations. Pandas is used for handling datasets, and we use Matplotlib for visualizing data. From there, you need to dive into TensorFlow and PyTorch to start creating machine learning models. So the next skill we are going to talk about is understanding data science. Data is the lifeblood of AI. Without clean, well-organized data, even the most advanced AI model won't perform well. Data science help you prepare and understand data so your models can create and learn effectively. This would involve data cleaning, removing errors, duplicates, or missing values from the data sets. Think of it as tidying up the messy room before you can use it. The next is data visualization. Tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn help you create graphs and spot trends and patterns in your data. Exploratory data analysis will help you uncover insights and relationships in your data. For example, you might use EDA to identify the most important features of a dataset before training your AI model. Learning data science gives you the ability to turn raw data into actionable insights, which is essential for building effective AI systems. The next skill you need to know is machine learning basics. So machine learning is the backbone of AI, and it's how models learn to find patterns and make predictions. You need to start with simple algorithms. At first, you need to start with linear regression, which is used for predicting continuous values like the price of a house based on its size. Then you need to learn about logistic regression, which will help you classify data like predicting whether an email is spam or not. Decision trees and random forest. These are used for more complex classification and regression tasks. So once you're comfortable with these basics, we move on to more advanced ML concepts like gradient boosting and support vector machines. Hands-on projects like building a recommendation system will help you solidify your understanding. Then you need to also learn about deep learning, which is also a very crucial skill which is needed to become an AI generative engineer. So deep learning will take AI to the next level by mimicking how the human brain processes information. It uses neural networks which are made up of layers of nodes, neurons that process and learn from the data. The key concept includes recurrent neural network, which is RNS, which is ideal for sequential data like time series or text. Convolutional neural networks, which is specialized for image recognition tasks. Moving on to transformers, it is used in cutting-edge models like ChatGPT to process sequential data efficiently. Start by understanding how basic neural networks work, then progress to building and fine-tuning your own models using frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Now you might be wondering, where can you work as a generative AI engineer? Well, generative AI engineers are in high demand across industries. Here's where you might work. At big tech giants companies like Google, OpenAI, Nvidia, and Microsoft are leading the AI revolution. You can also work at healthcare sectors. AI is used for diagnostic, treatment planning, and medical imaging. Work in finance, automating analysis, generating reports, and predicting market trends. You can also work in media and entertainment as well, creating script, animations, and even entire video games. Now let's talk about the salaries. Well, for entry-level roles, you can expect around $100,000 to $150,000 annually in the US. And in India, you can expect around 5 lakh to 12 lakh for entry-level roles. Moving on to experienced professional, in the US, you can expect around $300,000 per annum, whereas in India, you can expect around 45 lakhs for experienced professionals. So, these were the salaries we discussed about. Also, just a quick information. If you are interested to enhance your career in AI, here's some quick info. Check out Simplilearn's postgraduate program in AI machine learning with Purdue University and IBM. This program is perfect for aspiring AI enthusiasts and professionals who are looking to switch careers and gain expertise in generative AI, prompt engineering, ChatGPT, explainable AI, machine learning algorithms, and many more. A year of experience is preferred. So hurry up and enroll now, and you can find the course link in the description box and in the pinned comments. So that was all for this video on generative AI roadmap for AI engineers. So if you really like this video, do hit the notification bell for more videos by Simplilearn. Until then, keep learning.